How to make landing page WordPress to sell products. Creating a landing page in WordPress to sell products is a powerful way to drive conversions and showcase your offerings with clarity and impact. So to get started, go ahead and open WordPress.com, sign into your account, and then choose your tools. So use a page builder plugin like Elementor, Thrive Architect, or Seed Pro for drag and drop design. So you can search for that on the plugins section on the plugins marketplace. So if you're selling products, you can also integrate WooCommerce or a payment gateway like Stripe or PayPal. You can also install WooCommerce plugin on the plugins marketplace by searching for WooCommerce in here. And then on the results, go ahead and select WooCommerce and then click on this upgrade and activate button. And then once you have installed and activated this, you can go ahead and use it. After that, you need to set up your hosting and WordPress. So get hosting and install WordPress. You can also buy a domain on WordPress itself. After that, you need to choose a lightweight theme like Hello Elementor or Astra. So head over into the Appearance tab and then click on Themes. And then from here, go ahead and search for the Hello Elementor theme. So this theme is actually best paired with the Elementor plugin. This would make your site easier to design given its drag and drop capabilities. So once you have installed all of these necessities, you need to go ahead and design the page layout. So you need to include the hero section, benefits, features, testimonials, and a CTA such as buy now or get started button. And then use pre-made templates to save time and ensure professional design. Replace placeholder content with your product details, images, and branding. And then use WooCommerce for physical or digital products. For digital-only products, consider plugins like easy digital downloads or integrations with System.io. Now, the final tips would be mobile optimization. Ensure your page looks great on phones and tablets. Use caching plugins and optimize images for fast loadings, and add Google Analytics or Facebook Pixel to track your performance. So that is how you can basically make landing page WordPress to sell products.